Is there a way that you can probably escort me home? Because my uncle just put his hands on me.
Okay, well, we're going to get everything figured out. Right now, you can stand right there. Can you get off the phone so that I can talk to you and we can figure out what's going on? You can stay on the phone if you want to, but I'm trying to get the information from you, and right now you're talking to him and not talking to me. I don't understand what's going on.
I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Hold on, they're here, fine. Let me call you back.
So what's going on, man? What happened?
Should we come in?
I'm right here. That's fine. Yeah.
But she told me to stay inside where it's safe.
Yeah, you're good.
So this isn't our first time doing it.
Let's just start with today.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So I guess she came over here earlier.
Okay. What do you mean you guess?
You're right. She came over here earlier before her mom. Her mom lives here, so I'm her uncle.
Okay, so her mom lives here too.
Her mom's in the room now.
Okay.
She came over here before her mom got home.
Okay.
Her mom gets home. They're in the room, I could kind of hear them talking because they got the door closed. I don't really know what they're fussing about.
Okay.
But trying to speed it up.
That's fine.
My sister needed me to take her home because they were fighting and she didn't want to deal with it.
Okay.
I told her I'd take her home, but what she does is she stole my sister's car keys and her phone. And she wouldn't get it back to her unless my sister was the one that takes her home.
And this is today?
This is all today.
Okay.
Right, so there's a whole bunch of that.
Okay.
Give us her keys and then we'll take it home. She's like, no. Try to speed it up. She stole the cell phone to the house. And she's out here.
What do you mean the cell phone to the house?
So we have a house phone.
Okay.
But they're now cell phones. I don't know if you knew that. You know,
no, I didn't know that. So okay, I'm learning. Okay, that's
crazy,
fair.
Right?
That's fair. All right, so it's a house cell phone.
It's a house phone, but they're not their cell phones.
Got it.
So she stole that.
Okay.
And she's out here running around.
Does she live here?
No, she doesn't.
Where does she live? Okay.
I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty sure she's trespassed here.
Okay.
She's not even supposed to be because she has prior charges from what happened with her and her mom.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure she's not even supposed to be here.
Okay.
So
I'll check that.
She was running around, like I said.
Did her mom invite her back here?
No, like I said, she got here before.
So she was here before the mom was even here.
She knocked on the door and it just came in the house.
Okay. So she don't have a key, nothing like that?
No.
Okay.
Now, I did let her, when I opened it, I didn't necessarily let her.
I got you. Okay.
So at that point, I was just kind of like.
That's fair. Right.
I'm in the living room, she's in the room. I'm trying to stop. But anyways, she's out here. She has the house phone. My sister's like, she got the house phone. Can you try to get it back? I'm not really trying to do all of that. I just really want her to leave. At this point, she's already been told several times to leave. I already called and spoke with the dispatch lady. So she was like, you guys are on their way.
Okay.
So I'm kind of standing here, kind of out with
her.
And she's, like I said, going from neighbor to neighbor, banging on doors, trying to get them to call the police.
Okay.
Whatever. So then she's running back up towards the house. I said, I'm just standing here. She's coming back through the yard. She just clocks me.
Okay.
And then starts wailing on me a few times. I had to push her. She ended up biting me several times.
So she bit you. That's how you got that?
She bit me a few times there, locked in on there.
Okay.
You can kind of.
Oh, yeah, I can definitely 100% see bite marks right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
422. I really don't feel good right now. Can I have someone else's blood in my mouth?
Okay. And do you need an ambulance?
I need to speak. I just need a ride home.
And I would like to. We're going to go through and figure out exactly what happened. That's why we're here.
So I kind of pushed it down so you can see the.
Yep. Okay, so it all happened basically right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that's when I was able to get up, ran in the house, and try to keep her from coming in. That's when she started banging, kicking it in.
Okay.
And that's when I called back to let you know that it escalated to physical contact.
Right. Okay. How old is she?
She's 20.
Okay, so she's not a child.
She's not a child, no.
Okay. All right.
He's done this before.
Okay.
He's done this before, and it's just this is why I don't stay with him.
Mm-hmm.
But they
so
ended up.
Tell me exactly what putting his hands on you means.
Like he ended up. You see my face. He ended up beating me, punching me in the face. I see ring cameras on the doors, so I don't know if you can get that footage. But he ended up punching me so hardly, and he just kept punching me in the face, building my head into the rocks, and I had to bite. I couldn't get him off of me. He was putting all of his weight on me, and he was just punching me.
So you had to fight what?
I had to just get him off of me. This was only out of self-defense. He put all his weight on me.
But you guys don't live together now as a family?
No.
All right.
But she does come by.
Okay.
And like I said, there was a day where it all started with physical contact with her and my sister.
Right.
And that's when the police were called.
But that wasn't today.
That wasn't today.
So today, your sister and her didn't really have anything physical?
They did.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and say
that's fine. Yeah, what happened?
Like I said, she stole, to get her way, she takes stuff from me and kind of like hold it as if
you're
going to do what I say.
I got you.
You won't get it back.
Okay.
So she stole her keys to her car and her cell phone. So they were wrestling around in the room.
Okay.
For that. Now, how physical it got, I mean, I watched them wrestle around the car.
Right.
You know?
Right.
But that happened twice.
Okay. Let me go. What's your sister's name?
All
right. Grab her and ask her to come out here with you. Thanks. So, walk me through just today, kind of what happened. I already talked to your brother. He kind of told me a bunch of what he had to say. So,
You saw her?
She's around the corner. Yeah, I saw her. I didn't talk to her. My partner's talking to her, but I just kind of wanted to hear your side before I even talk to her. Okay, well, I know you do, and it's a criminal investigation, so let's just be straight. Like, it is what it is, you know what I mean? Like, you're not helping yourself by not saying anything, and you're not helping him by not saying anything. And quite honestly, you're not helping her either, you know? But you have that right.
What happened? I got off work today. I came home. She was here, and she was just...
Did you invite her back or let her come back here? Had you guys spoken on the phone previous to her coming over?
No, but we don't really have this. We haven't had any incidents lately.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
So
that's fair.
She's here today, and she was just, I don't know, she was in a mood. I could kind of tell when she's in one of those moods where it's gonna be one of those days.
Right.
But anyways, she wanted me to take her to. She wants money. She wants me to take her to check cash in place, and I want to take her to check cash in place.
Okay.
I don't really want to take her nowhere.
Right.
I just got off work. I want her to stay home.
Yes, I'm not really understanding everything that happened.
What do you not understand?
You got here. You came here to use a phone. Is that right? To get a ride.
I needed my mom to help me with this loan at Base Cash Express, so I can, I'm not working right now, and I didn't know what I was doing about it. So my mom was like, no, I didn't want to take you. My brother, he can take me. And then that was when he didn't want to take me.
Your brother didn't want to take you?
Her brother didn't want to take me.
Your uncle. Okay. And then what happened?
I'm sorry, there's just a lot of blood in my mouth.
How did he put his hands on you?
He just punched me into the bushes.
So you were outside with the house phone?
Can I show you?
Okay.
I didn't see it, but I saw the aftermath. I could tell that she bit him because of blood in her mouth, and I just know how she could get, and it's just...
So she has, that's kind of... If you had to be fair, and I know one's your brother and one's your daughter, and it's never an easy thing saying anything, but would you say that if there was an altercation that he or she would have been the primary aggressor in this circumstance?
She was already on 10.
Okay.
So most likely he's defending himself.
Okay, that's all I asked for. Okay, thank you.
No, you're going to step over here right now.
That's not true, and you know it.
I'm going to need you to go around the corner. I'm going to need you to go around the corner.
Mommy,
I'm going to need you to go around the corner. No, not right now. I'm going to need you to go around the corner.
Mom, can I talk to you?
I'm going to need you to go around the corner before you go into handcuffs.
I didn't do it.
You got 5 seconds. Give me a minute. Let me go talk to the other deputy and talk to your daughter, and then I'll get back with you guys, okay? So, when you got here, how did you end up getting your mom's phone in your hands? And she gave you the phone willingly? Because that's kind of not what I heard.
Well, first she gave it to me willingly, and then that's when he blocked me, so I just asked her if I could use it, and I was like,
And what about the car keys? How'd you get the car keys?
When she was trying to strangle me or something,
She was trying to strangle you, even though she gave it to you willingly, and she was trying to strangle you? Does that make sense to you?
When I had grabbed it from her, and then she tried to give it back to me, that's when I had hit back.
That makes a little more sense. So you took them from her. So you took them from her at first, right?
I gave them back to
No. We'll get to the second part in a minute. You took your mom's phone and her keys from her. Is that correct?
I gave them back.
Yeah. No.
Yes, sir.
Let's get to the first part. Okay. Right.
Not at first. When she.
Regardless, you took your mom's keys and you took your mom's phone. Is that correct? Against her will.
I gave them back to her.
I understand you gave them back to her. Right? I understand that the sun's going to rise and the sun's going to set, but that's irrelevant. The point is you took your mom's keys and you took your mom's phone. Why did you do that? I know why, but I want to hear your answer.
I gave them back to her.
Why did you take them?
Only so I can understand and talk to her, so I can help her, so she can help me make a loan.
Okay, so you took them so that you could basically make her take you to the place. Is that correct?
I needed her help.
Is that correct? I got you. But that's correct, right?
I didn't want to force her to do anything, I promise.
But you took them from her as ransom, right? Basically.
Not as a ransom, but just so I can ask her, just so she can help me.
Okay,
tell
so
me
we've
what I was doing.
sit in the car. So we've established that you took your mom's keys and your mom's phone, and then eventually she got them back.
I gave them back to her. No, I
Okay.
gave them back to her willingly because I just wanted her to help me. That's all.
Well, I thought you just said that she took them back from you, and that's when she strangled you.
When she tried to take them back to me,
So she tried to take them back.
that's when they ended up in my mouth, and then I gave them back to her.
Okay, so I like that you're slowly admitting the truth, even though it's not coming out at all.
I wasn't you slowly admitting the truth. That's just me telling you how they ended up in my mouth, and I gave them back to her.
Right. Okay.
But it wasn't at a ransom. It wasn't for me just taking her stuff.
But it was by force and it was against her will, and it wasn't your product. Do you know that there's a no contact order between you and your mom? That's, I guess, what I'm asking. Not the circumstances about you coming today. Oh yeah, you're gonna be going to jail for violation of a no contact order. Before we take you to jail, once it's confirmed, I'll keep your feet in there. Put your feet inside. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Mommy, please come see me.
You don't want another charge. I'm warning you.
come here.
You don't want another charge.
I don't want to. My
You
mom's
don't-
on it. Mom,
you
come
don't
here.
want
Come
another
brush it for
charge.
me. Mom, come brush it for me. Mommy, help me.
Get on the ground.
Come here.
Get on the ground. I'm going to dump you.
No, Mom, my mom has to give me
Get
something.
on the ground or I'm going to dump you.
No,
Get on your
the
knees or I'm going to dump you.
I'm sorry.
Just stop.
Can I get back in the
Just
car?
stop. Just stop.
Mom, come here. Can
Just
you
stop.
take me home?
No, put your...
Mommy, can you take me? Can you come here?
Go ahead.
Mommy. Mom, come here. Mommy, please come here. Mom. Mommy, come here. Mommy.
No.
Why are you guys doing that?
Because you're resisting.
You just added another charge.
No, I don't
Yeah,
want
you did.
another charge.
Oh, yeah, you just did. Resisting.
I didn't.
Yes, no, you did.
Sir, I didn't resist.
Well, you're going to learn a lesson. You did.
I'm sorry.
I gave you all the time in the world.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I
good.
I don't want this.
I'm glad you're sorry. Well, you got it.
Can I not have it?
Nope.
No.
Okay.
I'm really sorry.
I'm glad you're sorry.
Can I go to the ER?
Nope. All right, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to roll you towards me, and then we're going to sit you up, okay? All right? Come on. No. Put your legs forward. All right, hold on. I'll help you up.
I want to do that right now.
Okay, well, that's good. What else do you have on you?
I want to be.
Do you have anything on you?
I want to be.
Set it up.
I want
Okay. Well, we don't do that.
you have.
You have on you. No,
I want to die.
No, you don't.
I don't want. I want to die.
No.
I want to.
Let's put her in the back of my truck.
I don't want to
Go.
go. I want to die.
Okay. I'll make sure I tell the jail that.
Can I die
Eventually, yeah.
right now?
Not today.
No. I want to die
Not
right
today.
now.
Don't do it.
Do
I'll
not
dump you on the
touch-
ground again.
Stop me on the ground.
We don't do that.
I do. I want to die though. I don't.
Just stay that way.
believe you. Mommy, can I die?
Yeah, good.
I'm not getting into it.
There you go.
Mommy.
So, really tight. I don't want to hurt you.
I want to.
Just get in. Yeah.
I want to die.
Look, nobody wants to hurt you.
I want to die. I want to hurt you, but you want to But I don't. I want to die.
Look.
Mommy,
Lift your feet.
can I die?
Eventually, yes.
No, I
Lift
want
your
to
feet
die
in.
right now.
Lift your feet
Everybody
in.
dies one day, but this is not your day.
Lift your feet in. Come on.
This is my day.
Lift your feet in. Yeah, go back.
Can I not? Can I get sit on the chair?
No. Just sit up. Yes.
Sit
Sit
on
up.
the chair.
Sit up.
I can't. My arm.
Okay. She'll help you. If
Ready?
you're willing to. There you go.
Can I go? Can I?
Put your feet in.
Mom!
Put
Where are
your
you
feet in. Move
going?
your feet. Move your feet.
Your feet.
Do you want the charge or no?
No, I don't want
Then
the
put your
charge.
feet there.
You're not
Put your
gonna charge
feet
me?
there. Put your feet there.
You're not gonna charge
Put your
me?
feet there. Sorry, I don't want to hurt her though. Okay. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I not gonna get the charge, sir? Huh?
What?
Am I not gonna get the charge?
No, you're getting charged.
Why?
She was ultimately arrested and charged with pre-trial release condition violation and resisting officer without violence. What do you think caused this situation to escalate? Was it a lack of discipline, family dynamics, poor decision-making, or something else? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.